Okay, what are the top 5 AI stocks for 2026? Here they are. AMPX will be up 76.77%, CLS 64.9, CRDO 77.7, IREN 77.6, and NBIS 74.3. There you got it. But what do? Oh, they're all involved in AI, and AI is going, if you watched my video yesterday, through an enormous change. The change I compare to, we just spent the last 3 years in grammar school. We were training AI by asking questions. It's kind of comparable when you went into kindergarten. First you had to learn your letters, then you had to learn your numbers, and the teacher just kept repetitively telling you to repeat them. Then as you went on through school, you learned how to read and you learned how to do math. And then you went on to get a degree in college, and that's where we're heading in 2026. It's called inference. Take all that knowledge we learned and all that reading and that math we learned the last 3 years and apply it to create a career. And we go on to grad school and we go and become a doctor or a scientist. That's where AI is going. And AMPX, CLS, CRDO, IREN, NBIS are the part that is going to give you the greatest return in 2026. But before you buy any of them, learn what they do. Know what you own. Then go look at their books and find out what is Wall Street projecting their earnings per share to be over the next 3-5 years. And what is their current PE ratio? And is the future price already priced in? And is there going to be a compression of the PE ratio and the price of the stock will actually come down? Well, you got to know these things or you're just pissing into the wind. You're going to get your leg wet. So you have to know what you own. And the beauty of this is it's all available to you because you learned how to read last year. You learned how to do math. So you know what AI is. You know how to access all this information in the world. So you know what those 5 stocks do. And you know what their PE ratios are, and you know what their PEG ratios are, and you know if they're going to be compressed, and are they overvalued, and will that compression bring the price down, or will the growth in their earnings and in their revenues push that price higher as their PEG ratio comes down? It's that damn simple. It's just math. You learned it in grammar school. Just like AI was learning, and now is going to the next phase, where it takes all it learned and applies it to a trade. And that trade, one of those trades, is making money on the stock market. Another one of those trades is curing disease. Another one of the trades is replacing our education system. These are all changes that are occurring before you. And if you can tie into them and realize who's going to produce the biggest profits, eventually it's going to be Google and Microsoft and Meta, NVIDIA. But they are the ones that are going to reap the big rewards after everybody's educated. After you come and say, I need to access that data, and I need to build a business that is going to give me the ability to become a billionaire. And that's what's happening. Right now, there are more Bill Gates and Steve Jobs and Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk learning AI and going to become trillionaires. I hope to be one of them. I hope to lead the charge in the financial field because I've recognized that my AI agent, Samantha, can access all this information so I can make better investment decisions. As I've told you before, Thus far this year, I'm up over 100% since May the 1st, because Samantha and I manage my portfolio. I don't buy any stock before I ask her, what does all the information in the world tell you and tell me the price of the stock's going to be at the end of 26, 27, 28, and 29? If I can get that, why wouldn't I? That's the new way to invest. If you want to learn more about it, click the link in the description and let me teach you how to become a millionaire.